And sa ngayon po, she is a communications professional. So dito po sa company, meron na rin siyang mga naging results, meron na rin siyang mga naging marami na ring nalalaman, ano? And she's the perfect one to start this, no? Kasi yun nga, communications professional, no? Talagang alam niyo yun, something that we would really understand. Okay, so without further ado, okay, let me now call on our first speaker, Miss Patricia Ann Roque. Ayan. Hi, Patricia. Good evening. Nakamute ka.
Oh, nakamute pala ako. Nagsasalita na
Ayan.
ako. Ayan. Hello, thank you, Gian, at welcome po sa ating mga guests tonight. Hello, everyone. Um, alam ko meron tayong mga kasama na nasa ibang Ayan, nasa ibang bansa, no? Meron tayong nasa Milan, Italy. Hello! Ayan, so good day po sa ating lahat. Ayan, bago po ako mag-start, sige, meron akong tatanungin. Ala, nasa na yon? Share. Okay, sige. So, wait ha, asa na yon? Wala pa kayong nakikita, no? Teka lang. Yes.
Started screen sharing. Ayan.
Okay, so meron akong ano lang, meron akong question muna bilang pang warm up, no? Ayan, so, um, para maano tayo, no, may audience participation, okay? So, meron akong tanong dito, okay? The statement that reflects how I feel about my current income or cash flow. Please press 1 if you are very happy with your income, okay? Press 2 if it covers your needs but not your wants. And press 3 if you're considering to add a second stream of income. Okay? So, kailangan ko makita yung mga sagot ninyo. Okay? 1, 2, or 3. Sige, so meron ako nakikitang 3, 3, 3, 2, 3. So, walang happy. Okay. So, ano, ayan. So, puro tayo 3, no? At considering na mag-add ng another stream of income. O sige. So, second question. My ideal monthly income is in this bracket. Number 1, type nyo po yung 1 if at least 50,000. 2 if at least 100,000. Or 3 if more than 100,000 ang inyong ideal monthly income. Okay? Ano lang naman to ha? Kumbaga, ito yung gusto ninyo. Okay? Ito yung gusto ninyong income. Okay? So, maraming 3. Merong 2. Okay? Pero maraming 3. Ayan. So, yung mga guests natin, sana mag-type sila sa ating chat box. Ayan, sila Sir Cesar. Ayan, nakita ko si Miss Evelyn. Meron pong, ayan, sige. Okay. And last question ko. So yung kanina, my monthly income is in this bracket. Ito ang ideal, no, na gusto ninyo. Sa ngayon, magkano ba yung monthly operating expenses ninyo? Una, pa-type ng 1 if more than 25,000, 2 if more than 50,000, o 3 if more than 100,000. So sa ngayon, magkano ba yung monthly operating expenses natin? Nagbabayad ba kayo ng bahay? Nagbabayad kayo ng tubig? Nagbabayad kayo ng kuryente, etc. So, nasa magkano? Okay, so parang puro 1. Merong 2. Okay? Ayan. Meron ding 3. Okay, so merong malaki-laki yung nagagastos monthly, no, sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Okay? So, thank you po sa inyong participation. And ayan, I really appreciate itong inyong um pagsagot, no, dito sa ating konting warm up kasi Very important po yan, no? Para at least makita natin kung nasaan ba tayo ngayon, okay? So, ano bang estado ng ating life right now? So, marami po sa atin yung talagang naghahanap rin ng extra na stream of income dahil nga naman sa dami-dami, no, ng ating mga binabayaran sa pang-araw-araw. Kulang din po talaga, no, yung ating kinikita, no, sa every month, no, na meron tayo, no. So, hold on, meron pa ako sinishare. Ayan, sige. So, ayan. So, hindi na ako magpapakilala. Pinakilala naman na ako ni Gian, no. But Ayan. But ito kasi yung ano, no, ito yung isa sa mga importante, no, na dapat natin tandaan. Sabi ni Mr. Warren Buffett, never depend on a single source of income. And I'm happy to see na many of us here in this platform right now are considering, no, to add another stream of income. Ibig sabihin, aware tayo, no, na hindi pwedeng sweldo lang yung inaasahan or kung ano man yung pinagkakakitaan natin right now, kung businessman yan or kung self-employed tayo or kung employed tayo, no? Because the reality is talagang pataas po ng pataas ang expenses natin, no? And ang mahirap dyan, hindi lang naman siya yung steady, no, yung pagdami ng expenses habang tumatanda ka. Nandyan din kasi yung tinatawag na inflation. So, imbes na sabihin na natin 2 times lang yung pagtaas ng expenses, lumalaki pa siya lalo dahil sa inflation. So, if you notice, dati, mahilig po kasi kaming kumain ng Jollibee breakfast dati, no, ng parents ko. So, nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, nag-ano kami, every weekend nag-walking, jogging kami, ganyan-ganyan. Kumakain kami sa Jollibee pagkatapos. Dati nakakabili kami ng 89 or 99 pesos na Jollibee breakfast, 'di ba? This was, ewan ko ilang years ago na, ayoko na magbilang. Pero, kung iisipin niyo po ngayon, wala na kayong mabibili na 99 o 89 na ano na Jollibee breakfast meal, 'di ba? Parang nasa 200 plus na siya ngayon, pinakamura na ata 180, 190, 'di ba? So, oh, meron ng ano, 60 lang daw yung hot silog noon. O, di ba? So, so naabutan talaga natin na ano lang siya, na double digits lang yung ano, yung yung breakfast meals. Ngayon hindi na, 'di ba? 100 plus 200 plus na siya ngayon. Yan kasi yung inflation. Okay? Ang problema, hindi naman sumasabay yung income natin sa bilis ng pagtaas ng expenses at sa bilis ng inflation. Buti sana kung nai-increasean ka ng sweldo ng sabihin na natin 10% every year. Kaso hindi, di ba? Swerte na nga kung nai-increasean ka ng taon-taon eh, di ba? Pero the thing is, hindi, di ba? So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin, di ba? Para matumbasan yung dami nung binabayaran natin sa buwan-buwan, dahil kulang talaga yung sweldo natin, ang ginagawa natin, umuutang tayo, 'di ba? Kaya marami yung nagsasabi taga London daw sila, 'di ba? Loan dito, loan doon, 'di ba? Kasi hindi talaga kayang sabayan or tustusan nung kinikita natin yung dami or yung reality ng expenses natin nowadays. Okay? So, ano ba yung income na gusto natin? Okay? Ideally, ang gusto natin is yung passive income. Okay? Which is ito. Okay? Ay, hindi siya yan. Passive income. Okay, bakit? Kasi tayo ngayon na nagtatrabaho, ang income po natin active. Okay? Meaning, nagtatrabaho ka para meron kang kitain. Pero once you stop working, the income also stops. 'Di ba? So, ito yung parang tipong, in simpler terms, no work, no pay. 'Di ba? Pero kahit na sabihin na natin yung mga regular employees, oo, sabihin na natin paid yung mga leaves nila, etc. Pero paano pag nag-retire ka na? 'Di ba? Eh di once you stop working, the income also stops. 'Di ba? Eh bakit? Pag retired ka na ba, titigil na ba yung bills mo? 'Di ba? Hindi. Pag tumigil ka na ba mag-work, hindi ka nakakain, hindi ka na mag-grocery, 'di ba? Hindi. O, so paano? 'Di ba? So yun yung yun yung sinasabi natin. Ito yung karamihan no na sa society natin ngayon, talagang nasa active income talaga tayo. But this is what we want. Yung passive income. You build a system that can generate income for you. So, tatrabahuin mo siya, 'di ba? You build the system and then eventually, when the system works for you, tuloy-tuloy nang pumapasok yung income. Kahit na minimal na yung effort, 'di ba? Eventually, tuloy-tuloy na lang yung pasok ng income. Kaya ito rin yung tinatawag na leverage income. Okay? So, saan natin makukuha yan? Actually, ito pong pinapakita namin sa inyo tonight, this is one way, okay? This is one way para maka-earn tayo ng passive income, okay? If we do this business in the long run. So, this is a global direct selling business. And what's really nice about this business is that you are not limited to your location, hindi ka nakakahon sa kung nasan ka man ngayon. Ito po ay available sa iba't ibang bansa. So lahat po ng mga bansa na nakikita ninyo on your screen, lahat po yan, available po itong business natin in all those countries. Okay, whether nasa Australia ka, Singapore, UK, France, etc. Lahat po available dyan sa mga bansang yan. So, paano yung ginagawa? Okay, paano natin ginagawa itong direct selling business na to? Ang ine-employ po natin dito is the dropshipping concept. Okay? Anyone familiar with dropshipping? Baka narinig nyo na rin naman siya. Maraming tawag dito. Parang lumalabas na rin naman yung videos about dropshipping, etc. 'Di ba? Um, Basically, ganito lang po siya. Meron tayong website. Okay, ang website natin naka-publish and then ang customer natin nagpe-place ng order dun sa ating website. So, when they place the order through your website, natatanggap po ng ating supplier no itong order and then our supplier po ships the products directly to your customer wherever they are in the world. So hindi na po tayo magbabalot ng mga produkto, ship papuntang LBC or kung ano man or magja-JNT ng mga products. Hindi na po because yung supplier na po natin may sarili po yung delivery forwarding service and sila na po yung magpapadala directly doon sa bahay ng ating customer. Door to door na po yan. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimple. So, whether sabihin na natin, nasa US ka, nasa US yung customer mo, 'di ba? Nag-order ng product galing sa New York, 'di ba? So, yung atin pong supplier will directly deliver po sa New York. Ganon din po kung nasa Singapore siya or kung nasa New Zealand siya or Australia siya. Okay, so ganon siya kaganda. Ngayon, ano yung products na i-deliver natin? Okay? Tayo po ay partnered with a very, very reputable company in health and wellness. Okay? And this is USANA, the Cellular Nutrition Company. Okay? Maybe familiar na po kayo sa Yusana, baka narinig nyo na siya, or
Yes.
baka naman nakita nyo na yung products ng Yusana, okay? Or you may have tried some of the products, no? Because Yusana has been in the industry for more than 30 years, okay? It's a leading cellular nutrition company. It's available in more than 26 countries worldwide, and it is a listed and publicly traded company po sa New York Stock Exchange. And you will not be in the New York Stock Exchange if you are not a reputable and billion-dollar company. Okay? Ano ba yung mga nandyan? 'Di ba? You have there the likes of Apple, 'di ba? Nandyan din yung Microsoft, nandyan ang Google, nandyan ang Tesla. So very, very big, 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 big companies. Okay? And nakahaligi po dyan ang Usana. So you can actually search. Check nyo po yung New York Stock Exchange para makita nyo po yung Usana. Okay? And napakarami na rin pong recognitions, awards ng Usana. It's a trusted brand po all over the world. Okay? Hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? And this is our headquarters in the US. Usana has been around since 1992. Okay? And ito po yung mga bansa kung nasan siya available. So yung mga bansa na nakikita nyo po dito sa ilalim, lahat po ng countries na yan, may office po ang Yusana dyan. Ito pong headquarters natin, dyan po ginagawa mismo yung products natin. Hindi po tayo nag-outsource or nagre-repackage lang ng products Inaaral po mismo ng mga scientists ng USANA yung mga products at doon din ginagawa, dinedevelop yung products ng USANA. So, in-house po ginagawa yung product. So, nakakasiguro tayo sa quality ng products na tinitake natin. Okay? So, why is it very important, no, na maintindihan natin kung gaano kahalaga ang health and wellness, okay? Other people before iniisip nila, ano lang yan, luho lang yan, 'di ba? Pero guys, sa totoo lang po, two challenges that people face everywhere ay health at finances. And guess what? Magkadugtong yan. 'Di ba? Bakit? Kasi you cannot say that you're truly wealthy kung hindi ka healthy. 'Di ba? Because sa totoo lang, at the snap of a finger, ma-ospital ka, magkasakit ka, 'di ba? Isang linggo lang siguro sa ICU na simot na yung savings mo. 'Di ba? Kahit na sabihin natin may savings ka, 'di ba? Na-hospital ka lang, nagkasakit lang yung family members mo, ubos na rin 'yan. 'Di ba? That's the sad reality nowadays. And um today sa atin sa pang-araw-araw natin, ito yung kinakaharap natin. Every day we are faced with so much stress. 'Di ba? Nandiyan din ang polusyon. Lumabas ka lang ng bahay para mag-commute, 'di ba? Nalanghap mo na lahat ng polusyon, 'di ba? You also have radiation. Nakatapat ka sa computer sa buong araw. Hindi lang computer, pati cellphone mo, may radiation din yan. 'Di ba? And then, kakain ka to nourish yourself. Pero, you have food pesticides sa pagkain na kinakain mo. Hindi na siya sobrang healthy, 'di ba? Kasi ang dami ng pesticides na nandiyan sa pagkain mo. Bukod ba diyan, yung choices ng food na kinakain mo, 'di ba? Maraming tao ngayon nagtitipid, 'di ba? Bibili na lang ng instant noodles, 'di ba, sa 7-Eleven, 'di ba? Bili na lang sa convenience store. O kaya kung hindi man instant food, bibili ng fast food, 'di ba? O kung hindi man gusto mag-snack junk food, 'di ba? O ano mangyayari sa katawan natin 'yan, 'di ba? Kaya napapabilis ang buhay kasi talagang hindi healthy yung choices ng food na pinapasok natin sa katawan natin. Okay? And ito po, no, ang leading causes of death worldwide, degenerative diseases. Okay? Ano yan, 'di ba? Sakit sa puso, stroke, diabetes, hindi naman siya kakaibang sakit 'Di ba? Hindi naman siya yung mga parang bagong na-discover na sakit na nakakamatay, hindi. 'Di ba? Matagal naman na natin naririnig 'to sakit sa puso, diabetes, 'di ba? High blood, cancer, respiratory disease, chronic kidney disease. Just to share po, um, my dad passed away po in 2011. Um, ano kasi, may sakit siya sa puso, high blood siya, diabetic siya. Tapos, syempre, daming iniinom na gamot, 'di ba? Daming iniinom na medications. Eventually po, naapektuhan na yung kidney niya. 1/8 na lang daw po ng kidney niya yung nagfa-function. So, kailangan na po na mag-dialysis. And more than a year po nag-dialysis siya, pero eventually he passed away. Okay? And what am I saying? Ano kasi 'to itong degenerative diseases, lifestyle diseases kasi 'to, 'di ba? Um, Dati, nakikita natin 'tong mga sakit na 'to sa mga medyo may edad na, yung mga medyo matatanda na. Pero ngayon, kahit sa mga bata, ang dami na pong may ganitong sakit. Recently, meron akong last year, meron po akong office mate, nasa 40s lang po siya, she passed away dahil sa diabetes, complications ng diabetes. Okay? And then ngayon, meron akong office mate din na on medication dahil hypertensive siya. Mas bata pa siya sa akin, 30 years old lang siya. Okay? So nakikita niyo po ba, di ba kayo natatakot? 'Di ba? Dumadami na talaga mga nagkakasakit ngayon, 'di ba? Kung hindi ninyo aalagaan yung sarili ninyo or hindi ninyo i-educate yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo na alagaan yung sarili ninyo, naku, 'di ba? Dumadami po talaga yung nagkakaroon ng mga degenerative diseases. Okay? And sabi ni Dr. Linus Pauling, the only two-time Nobel Prize winner in the world, nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Kakulangan ng nutrisyon, nutritional deficiency. Okay? So, gaano ka-healthy ba tayo, 'di ba? Paano mo masasabi na healthy ka, 'di ba? kumakain, ba sabihin mo sa akin, kumakain naman ako ng prutas, kumakain naman ako ng gulay, pero kumakain ka ba nung enough para talagang ma-nourish yung katawan mo? Kasi sabi sa ano, ang mga yung recommended na daily allowance na kinakain natin, dapat kumakain daw tayo ng 18.5 oranges para sa vitamin C, yung tamang amount ng vitamin C na kailangan ng katawan mo. At para sa vitamin B6, kailangan kumakain ka ng 85 bananas para makuha mo yung tamang amount ng vitamin B6. So, hindi enough na kumain ka ng isang saging, 'di ba? O sabihin na natin tatlong saging sa isang araw, 'di ba? Per meal. Hindi. Okay? So, kaya since hindi sapat yung kinakain natin, diyan ngayon papasok yung supplementation to bridge the gap. Kung ano yung kulang na nutrisyon sa katawan natin, pinupunuan dapat yan ng supplementation. Okay, ngayon, sa lahat naman ng supplements out there, bakit USANA? Because, this is the USANA difference, no? USANA is backed by science. Napakatindi po. Okay? And ito, ipapakita ko po sa inyo, this is the comparative guide to nutritional supplements. Okay, ito po ay isang research na ginawa po, wait lang ha. Ayan. Ito po ay isang research na ginawa po sa Canada. And ang nagsimula po nitong study na to is Dr. Lyle McWilliam. Dati po siyang Minister of Health ng Canada. So, para siyang Health Secretary sa Canada before. Okay? And itong NutriSearch na company ni Dr. Lyle McWilliam, pinag-aaralan po nila yung mga multivitamins. Over 1,600 multivitamins to na pinag-aralan nila para malaman ko ano yung pinakamaganda, pinaka-effective. Okay? Para yun yung ano, kumbaga yun yung pinakamagandang itry at gamitin ng mga citizen sa Canada. Okay? So, meron niyang sukatan, 16 important health support criteria. Medyo technical yung iba dyan, pero of course, nandiyan yung completeness, potency, 'di ba? Potential toxicity, 'di ba? Kung makakasama ba siya sa katawan mo, etc. Okay? So, these are some of the products no na nandito sa Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplement. Trinim down na lang natin siya to the products which are most familiar to us Filipinos, okay? Because some of this baka ginagamit ninyo, some of this baka na-try ninyo, baka niregalo sa inyo ng mga kamag-anak ninyo sa US, or baka nakikita ninyo sa mall, kasi iba dito meron sa malls, okay? So if you take a look at the list, you have products na ayan, medyo familiar, medyo household names, 'di ba? And kung titingnan niyo po, ni-rate kasi yung products from 1 star to 5 star. 1 star meaning hindi siya masyadong maganda. 5 star, ibig sabihin sobrang ganda niya. Parang hotel, 'di ba? So hindi mo naman gugustuhin magstay sa 1 star hotel, 'di ba? Kasi ang gusto mo, dun ka sa best, 'di ba? The 5 star hotel, 'di ba? So parang ganun din po yung ginawa dito, no? Kung titingnan niyo yung list, their ratings are mga half star, 1 star, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 'di ba? Ganun lang yung mga rating nila. Pero if you take a look at Usana, 5 star po yung binigay na rating sa kanya. And isa sa pinakamalaking factors dito, yung bioavailability or yung absorption rate sa katawan ng tao. Meaning, pag nag-take ka ng Cell Essentials, 96.1% ng produkto na absorb ng katawan mo. Whereas, yung ibang mga products, ayan, nasa 5%, 30%, 46, 52%. Gumastos ka na lang din naman, 'di ba? Hindi pala siya na-absorb ng katawan mo. 'Di ba? So, yun yung malaking difference. Sa Cell Essentials, ginastusan mo, bumili ka ng product para inumin mo, uminom ka ng vitamins para sa katawan mo, na-absorb siya 96.1%. And mind you, this is a third-party research. Okay, hindi sila connected sa USANA, third party po ito. Pwede niyo yang i-check sa mga bookstore, sa Amazon, nabibili po itong librong to. Okay? Ganon katindi, backed by science, itong products ng USANA. And it all started with one man's vision. This is Dr. Myron Wentz. Siya po yung founder ng USANA. Ang dream lang naman ni Dr. Wentz, I dream of a world free from pain and suffering. I dream of a world free from disease. Okay? Microbiologist and immunologist po si Dr. Wentz. Kaya pag sinabi niyang um, tawag dito, ito yung gusto niya. Kumbaga alam niya yung sinasabi niya, alam niya yung ginagawa niya dahil yun po talaga yung kanyang primary trabaho, no? Microbiologist at immunologist po siya. And nag-start lang talaga to because he was trying to find vitamins, supplements sa over the counter sa mga drugstore para sana sa parents niya. His parents were also suffering from degenerative diseases. And tumitingin siya ng mga over the counter and nakita niya, ano ba yan? Parang maski isang cell, hindi mananourish nitong mga laman ng mga vitamins na to. So kaya, doon nag-start yun, naggumawa siya, nag-formulate siya ng sarili niya, which eventually became the USANA products. Okay? And ang goal lang naman ni Dr. Wentz to keep the human cells healthy because ang cells natin, napag-aralan natin to sa school, 'di ba? Ang cells ang building blocks, 'di ba, ng katawan natin. So kung healthy ang cell mo, it follows, 'di ba, na nagiging healthy yung pangangatawan natin. Okay? So gaya nga ng nasabi ko, no, backed by science po ang Yosana and in-house po ginagawa yung produkto. We have over 150 scientists, no, na tuloy-tuloy pinag-aaralan yung products, 'di ba? And then may on-site laboratories and facilities po tayo. And doon talaga nila dinedevelop yung ating mga produkto, lalo pang pinapaganda yung mga products. Okay? So that's why we are a trusted partner of many different sporting associations worldwide. Napakaselan po ng mga sporting associations because 'di ba, meron silang mga tests for doping, drugs, 'di ba? And kung nakikita ninyo lahat ng mga organizations na to, they all trust you sana because kita naman kung gaano kalinis yung mga products natin. And kasama po dyan ang Philippine Sports Commission dito sa Pilipinas. Kasama na rin po ang Philippine Basketball Association, yung PBA. And World Tennis Association. Ayan, sikat na sikat si Alex Ayala ngayon, di ba? So, isama natin ang World Tennis Association. Ayan. So, ganyan po katindi yung tiwala sa atin ng mga athletes. We are the official health supplement partner of many sporting associations. Okay? So, ilan lang po yan sa mga atleta who trust you sana. Okay? So, this is Cell Essentials. Ito po yung ating flagship product. Okay? So, Cell Essentials ay complete po with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants to nourish, protect, and renew your cells. And this is the only nutritional supplement here in the Philippines po na walang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims. If you watch commercials ng mga supplements, yung mga health supplements, or kaya kahit sa radyo, lagi nilang sinasabi doon sa dulo ng commercial, ang produkto nga ito ay hindi gamot at hindi nakakagamot ng anumang uri ng sakit. And if you take a look at their label, meron silang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims because hindi po siya nakakagamot. Okay? So yun lang yung ibig sabihin nun. With Cell Essentials in particular, wala po siyang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims because it's actually proven to help or to aid in the treatment of certain medical conditions, lalo na po yung mga related to vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Okay? So that's the big difference po dito sa Cell Essentials. Okay? So ano yung um, immediate na mararamdaman mo when you start taking Cell Essentials? I've been taking vitamins po prior to taking Cell Essentials. Pero, o 'di ba, ang galing-galing ko, vitamin C lang yung talagang lagi kong iniinom, okay? Kasi ang iniisip ko dati or yung parang ang conception ko dati is um pag uminom ka ng vitamin C, hindi ka magkakasakit. Yun lang yung kailangan mo. 'Di ba? Yun lang yung kailangan mo para lumakas yung katawan mo. So, vitamin C iniinom ko before. Pero when I started taking Cell Essentials, unang-una, ang lakas ng pangangatawan ko. 'Di ba? Parang kahit na, sige, sabi nga sa akin sa office, ang dami na nagkasakit sa office, pero ako hindi ako tinatablan. Parang parang mayat-maya sila may sipon, may ubo, ganyan, ganyan. Pero hindi ako tinatablan ng sakit. Okay? So yun, isa yun. And then one more thing, lagi pong kulang yung tulog ko. parang nasa 5 hours, mga ganun lang, 5 hours, 6 hours yung tulog ko. Yung 8 hours, nagagawa ko lang yan pag weekend. Pero most of the time, mga ganun lang, 5 hours, 6 hours lang yung tulog ko. Pero ang napakaganda talaga when I started taking Cell Essentials, unang-una, ang sarap ng tulog ko. Pangalawa, paggising ko kinabukasan, hindi ko nararamdaman na pagod ako. Yung kahit na kulang yung tulog ko, I feel well rested. So, I can go on with the rest of my day na, 'di ba? Parang puno yung energy ko, nagagawa ko yung kailangan kong gawin, 'di ba? So, 'di ba? Throughout the day mataas yung energy ko. So, yun yung talagang naging malaking effect sa akin ng Cell Essentials. Okay? Then what else? You have regular bowel movement, healthy skin, and better metabolism. Okay? So, yan yung i-look out ninyo, 'di ba? When you take Cell Essentials, 'yan yung ano, 'yan yung tignan ninyo, abangan ninyo na effects, 'di ba? Okay? So, if you compare no with other brands, people say kasi lalo na kung na-encounter nyo na yung Usana before, sabihin nila, ay maganda yung Usana pero mahal daw. Yun yung sinasabi ng iba. Pero if you take a look at it po, ang Usana po is 16.50 per tablet. Okay? So, nasa 33 pesos, 'di ba? Ang isang pares kung inumin mo siya. Kung inumin mo siya ng 2 beses sa isang araw, that's 66 pesos per day. Again, this is 38 vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, may patented intelligence technology ka pa. And it's the highest rated supplement in the world according to third-party research. Tapos wala pa siyang no approved therapeutic claim, 'di ba? Now to get all of this, para makuha ninyo lahat ng 'to, sa mga bibilhin ninyo over the counter, you actually have to buy all of this. 'Di ba? Hindi niyo siya pwedeng makuha sa iisang produkto lang. Kailangan bumili ng, yan, bukod sa multivitamins, bibili ka ng para sa mata. Bibili ka ng vitamins na para sa liver. Bibili ka ng EPA-DHA na para sa brain. Bibili ka ng coenzyme Q10 para sa heart. Bibili ka ng grapeseed extract. Bibili ka ng, 'di ba, antioxidants na selenium, 'di ba, etc. Para makuha niyo po lahat ng nandito sa Cell Essentials, nasa 174 pesos per day po yung gagastusin niyo sa mga nasa over the counter. Eh hindi pa naman 'yon yung highest rated supplements, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman sigurado na maa-absorb fully ng katawan mo yung binibili mo over the counter. 'Di ba? So, sa totoo lang po, yung 66 pesos per day, sulit na sulit po dahil kumpletong-kumpleto na po itong iniinom natin. And hindi na lang yun eh, hindi na lang yung i-compare mo sa pwede mong bilhin over the counter eh. Magkano lang yung 66 pesos per day versus the cost of getting sick, 'di ba? Magkasakit ka sa puso, halos 1 milyon na yan eh. Stroke, 1.8 million, 'di ba? So ano ba yung 66 pesos per day versus magdialysis ka, magka-cancer ka, etc. 'Di ba? Yun na lang yun eh. 'Di ba? So, napakaliit po nung 66 pesos per day to take care of yourself. Okay? So, because sa totoo lang po, true health is true wealth. Okay? So, besides Cell Essentials, which is our flagship product, we also have other products na targeted naman po to support specific health needs. Okay? So, you have products for your cardiovascular health, nandyan din po for your proper cellular function, skeletal health, digestive system, nervous system, endocrine, weight management, oral care, and skin care. Hindi ko na po isa-isahin itong mga to because aabot po tayo ng mga 3 hours siguro, no? Pero, we actually have a separate product training where we can invite you if you want to learn more about these products. So you can ask the person who invited you, kung gusto mo ng more detailed explanation on the products, invite po namin kayo sa susunod na product training. Okay? So, yan. Ngayon, if Usana is the best among the supplements in the world, bakit wala siya sa drugstores? Okay? Kasi baka yun yung gumugulo sa utak ninyo. Kung napakaganda niya, ba't hindi ko siya nabibili sa drugstore? Kasi po, ang business model natin ay direct to consumer, no? Mula sa planta, diretso siya sa mga consumer. Okay? At ngayon, kung gusto mong ikaw din yung magnegosyo, di ba? Pwede mo rin namang gawin yun. Ganun lang po yung business model natin. Kasi, kung kung sa traditional business, no, yung mga nasa over the counter, nasa drugstore, mula po sa plantang nag-manufacture ng product, kukuha pa yan ng distributor, tapos magpapa-commercial pa siya, or mag-a-ads, yung makikita yung mga billboard, di ba? Tapos, pupunta pa sa retail outlet bago makapunta sa consumer, bago mo mabili. So, lahat po kasi ng to, added cost kasi yan. So, sabihin na natin, yung halaga lang ng paggawa ng produkto ay 5 pesos lang. Pero dahil dumagdag to, pagdating sa consumer, nasa 20 pesos na siguro yung product. Gets nyo? Ang daming dagdag. Compared to Usana, which is direct to consumer marketing. Okay? So, binili ng consumer. Ngayon, kung gusto ng consumer na i-share din yung Usana, 'di ba, sa ibang tao, magnegosyo rin siya, babayaran rin na siya ng Usana kasi siya na yung distributor kumbaga nung products. Okay? So that's the difference no of the Usana business versus traditional businesses. Okay? So, ito yung pinapaliwanag ko. Okay? So, you, 'di ba, if you become a brand partner of Usana and a consumer, 'di ba, you can actually share Usana with other people, 'di ba? Kasi parang ano lang 'yan, kumain ka sa restaurant, tapos masarap yung pagkain. 'Di ba i-share mo 'yan? Sabihin mo sa friend mo, "Uy, meron ako nakainan, ang sarap nung ribs dun sa kinain kong ano, dun sa restaurant na kinainan ko." 'Di ba? So i-share mo siya. Ngayon, yung friend mo curious, 'di ba? Di pupunta rin siya doon, kakain din siya doon. 'Di ba? Ngayon, binayaran ka ba nung restaurant na yun para mag-share? 'Di ba? Hindi. Pero sa Yusana, ang maganda dito, shinare mo yung Yusana, babayaran ka pa ni Yusana. 'Di ba? So you can either have preferred customers or people who just buy products, or you can actually have other brand partners, 'di ba, who also share the products and share the business of Yusana to other people. Okay? Na gagawin din talaga niya yung business. Okay? So here, every time people purchase products, every time may bumibili po ng products ng Yusana, nagkakaroon tayo ng points. And ang points po ay equivalent po yan to commissions. Okay? Ngayon, the more people na bumibili po ng products, the more na nagkakaroon ka ng points, and yan po points na yan ay converted yan sa commissions. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, again, hindi ka po limited sa location, whether bumili yan sa Amerika or bumili yan sa Singapore or bumili yan sa Italy, 'di ba? Lahat po yan points at lahat po yan equivalent sa commissions. Okay? So, paano ka magkakaroon ng business dito sa Yusana? Okay, you just need to buy products. So actually, ang napakaganda dito, win-win situation kasi siya. 'Di ba? Bumili ka ng products para makatulong sa health mo or sa health ng family mo. At the same time, you can actually have a business. 'Di ba? So, paano ka magkakaroon ng business, 'di ba? Just buy products. We have what we call itong Usana Energy Kit. Ito yung pinaka pinopromote natin right now. Bakit? Kasi po, napakaganda nung laman nitong Usana Energy Kit. Kompleto na po siya nung mga pinaka-essential na products na kailangan natin. You have here dalawang pares ng Cell Essentials. Meron ka dalawang Biomega, which is yung ating fish oil. And then meron ka pang dalawang Coquinon 30, meron kang isang Proflavanol C at meron kang isang Magnical D. Okay? So, kompleto po yan. Kompleto po itong Usana Energy Kit to help support po ang ating pangangatawan. Okay? So, this is 22,590. Imagine, sa 22,590, you have all these products. At the same time, you actually have a global dropshipping business. 'Di ba? 22,590, malaki po ba yun or maliit? Paki-type na lang po sa chat box. 'Di ba? Malaki po ba or maliit para sa isang negosyo ang 22,590? Okay? O 'di ba maliit? Considering na isa po siyang global dropshipping business. Okay? It's a global dropshipping business. You have the license to operate in 26 countries worldwide. Okay? Yung ibang mga kasamahan natin dito sa Zoom na to, nanggaling sa Malaysia, like sina Ate Joy, di ba? Nanggaling sila sa Malaysia recently, sina Coach Christy. Yan, nanggaling sila sa ating regional convention. May office din tayo dun sa Malaysia. We also have license to operate po dun sa Malaysia. 'Di ba? Kami last year nasa Singapore. O nakarating din kami dun sa office ng Yusana sa Singapore. So, ito, ganyan po kalaki yung business natin. And it's only 22,590 to take these products, be healthy, and at the same time start a business. 'Di ba sobrang sulit? Okay? Besides this, if you want na puro essentials lang, sabihin na natin gusto mo puro essentials lang, tapos gusto mong ibenta rin yung products, you can also do that. That's around 23,130 for 6 pairs of essentials. Just the same, napakamura pa rin po niya para sa pagsisimula ng global dropshipping business. Okay? Now, paano ka ba kikita dito sa negosyong to? Okay? You just share the business, eventually mag-grow ka, and eventually you'll be leading. Okay? But dito lang tayo magfo-focus sa tatlong to. Okay? Itong share and yung part ng grow. Okay? Diyan lang tayo mag-focus for now. Okay? Para hindi tayo masyadong maguluhan. Okay? So, dito sa Yusana, no, every time merong nag-order, okay, meron tayong tinatawag na new sales bonus. So, halimbawa, meron kang bagong brand partner or meron kang bagong customer, every time nag-order siya, you actually earn 10% on every new enrollees orders for 26 weeks. Okay? So, halimbawa, sinong nandito right now? Okay? Sabihin na natin si Colin. Okay? Halimbawa, sabihin na natin si Colin ay meron siyang kaibigan na nag-enroll, gusto rin niya maging brand partner, bumibili siya ng products, no? So, bumili siya ng 200 points worth of products. Sa pagbili pa lang nung friend ni Colin ng 200 points na worth of products, meron ng 10% doon si Colin. So, magkano yun? That's $20. $20 na commission points. Okay? Ngayon, susunod, bumili ulit siya ng panibagong 200 points. Okay? May 10% ulit doon si Colin. That's another $20. Okay? And as the orders continue, kada bili niya, whether isang produkto yan, dalawang produkto yan, tatlong produkto, or bulto na produkto yan, meron kang 10% on every order. And tuloy-tuloy yan every 26 weeks ha, for every 26 weeks. So iba-iba kada tao, hindi siya yung parang from today until 6 months from now. Hindi. Kada taong nag-enroll, tuloy-tuloy yung 26 weeks niya. Okay? So, yan po yung ating tinatawag na sales bonus. Okay? Now, may isa pa tayong tinatawag na milestone bonus naman. Okay? So, every milestone that you hit here in Yusana, may katumbas siya na bonus. Okay? So, for example, on your first 4 weeks here in the business, ang nakatakdang milestone lang naman is to generate 250 sales points within your first week. And first 4 weeks. And if you do that, if you generate 250 sales points, meron kang bonus na $50. Okay? Now, your second month or yung 5 to 8 weeks mo naman, ang nakatakdang milestone dyan is to reach 500 sales points from 4 brand partners. Okay? And if you hit that, meron ka rin $100 na bonus. So, ito naman, yung huling-huling milestone mo by week 13, ang milestone mo naman is to reach 1,600 sales points. Okay? And achieve pace setter. Pag naabot mo yan, meron ka rin $150. So, imaginein mo, first 3 months mo, $300 na agad yan. 'Di ba? In bonuses. Kung makuha mo lahat ng milestones na yan. Okay? So, yan yung milestone bonuses. Okay? So, now we're done with share, milestone bonus, and new sales bonus. ito yung puntahan natin kasi ito yung pinaka-base. Ito yung pinaka-basic na way na kumita dito sa Usana. Okay? Gaya nung na-mention ko kanina, every time may bumibili ng products, nakaka-earn tayo ng points. And itong points na to, nakakonvert siya sa commissions. Yung commissions, dinedeposito yan ng Bank of America to your local bank account. So imaginein mo, nandito ka sa Pilipinas, pero kumikita ka in US dollars. 'Di ba? Ano yung kailangan mong gawin? Just share Usana. 'Di ba? Just share Usana and we will build a team. 'Di ba? Yung team na yan could be a team of users, 'di ba? People who just purchase products to consume for themselves para sa mga pamilya nila. Pwede rin namang team of resellers, mga taong bumibili ng product para ibenta. Or pwede rin namang business builders, 'di ba? Team of people na bumibili sila ng products para mag-build pa ng negosyo, 'di ba? Yung bibili sila ng energy kit, 'di ba? O bibili sila ng bultong cell essentials, 'di ba? Para magsimula ng negosyo. And naghahanap rin sila ng iba pang nagnenegosyo, 'di ba? And remember, ang income po natin dito sa Yosana is based on product movement. So whether user yan, reseller yan, business builder yan, lahat yan bibili ng product. Okay? And every time bumibili sila ng product, makaka-earn tayo ng points. At nagkakaroon tayo ng commission. Okay? So, um, ang commission po natin, ang base commission natin, binibilang yan on a 1 week period. Okay? From Saturday 2 p.m. to Saturday 1:59 p.m. So, ang points po na to ay mula sa personal sales mo at sa lahat ng mga website na connected under your account. Okay? So, hindi lang yan sa'yo, kundi sa lahat ng mga connected under sa account mo. Whether kilala mo sila or hindi, basta under sila ng account mo, points mo yan. Okay? At kasama yan sa binibilang pagdating ng cut-off. Okay? So, we earn weekly base commission from group sales points. 20% po yan ng small side ng ating team. Okay? So, in this example, sabihin na natin, ikaw to, okay, tapos yung left side mo, nag-generate sila ng 400 points, yung right, 300 points. So, imamatch natin sila, kukunin po natin 20% ng small side. So, sa example na to, 300 times 20%, meron kang $60. Magkano yon in peso? That's 3,300 pesos. Okay? Sabihin mo na maliit. Okay? Maliit habang nag-uumpisa ka. Pero habang tumatagal, yung 400 na yan, magiging 4,000 yan eh, sa dami ng mga taong mako-connect under sa account mo. Okay? So, yung left at right mo, nasa 3,000 points na yung nagmamatch, times 20%, that's already $600. Magkano yun? That's 33,000 in 1 week. Okay? Because remember, weekly po ang commissions natin dito. Okay? And nagro-roll over lang yung points na hindi nagagamit. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Ganyan lang yan every week. Okay? So, yung habang tumatagal, no, your efforts determine your success dito sa business. Pag bago ka, pwedeng kumikita ka $50, $100, etc. Medyo tumagal ka, dedicated brand partner ka, you're now earning $600 in 1 week, that's 30,000 in 1 week, 'di ba? Or as much as 50,000 in 1 week. And kung experience ka na talaga doing the business, pwedeng kumikita na ng 200,000 to 1 million a month. Okay? So, yan yung base commission. Okay? And now, habang ginagawa mo yung business ng Usana, pwede ka ring makakuha ng travel incentives. Ang maganda dito, just do the business and then, pag na-hit mo yung certain income na required within a particular period, you can actually qualify for travel incentives. Ang maganda dito, this is all expense paid and it's good for two. Okay? Hindi po siya basta-bastang mga travel, no? Mga luxurious travels po itong mga binibigay ni Usana. Like, ang parating natin, meron tayong Hokkaido, Japan, 'di ba? So mga ganyang level ng mga travel po yung meron tayo. Yung last year nag-qualify sila for Dubai. So napakagandang mga travel incentives po talaga yung binibigay niyo sana. Okay? So lastly, pinaka maganda po lalo na I guess for mga parents, 'di ba? Yung mga may pamilya na po dito, the business is actually inheritable. Pwede niyo pong ipamana yung negosyo sa mga anak ninyo, basta 18 years old sila pataas. If not, children, any family member, basta 18 years old pataas. These people sa pictures, puro po yan mga parents who started the business na pinasa na nila sa mga anak nila. So this business is actually something that's a legacy. Okay? Hindi ka basta-basta nagnegosyo lang na para may pantawid sa pang-araw-araw. Hindi po. Ito ay isang legacy that you can pass on to future generations. Ganon kalaki tong business na to. Okay? So, there. Okay? So, yun po yung ano, no? Yun po yung negosyo. Now, here, I'm sure that you will see fast results. Whether as a consumer or as a brand partner, 'di ba? Kung consumer ka, mararamdaman mo talaga yung efficacy ng product. Okay? At kung brand partner ka, mararamdaman mo yung resulta because you're earning. Okay? Now, ito lang ang gusto ko sabihin. Start now and get perfect later. Okay? Kasi lahat naman yan matututunan, no? Baka iniisip mo, hindi kasi ako marunong mag-business, wala akong kaalam-alam sa products, etc., etc. You will learn that along the way. Okay? Because, ang importante lang, simulan mo siya, makukuha mo kung paano umaandar yung negosyo, and matututunan mo rin more about the products. Okay? So lahat yan will come eventually, no? Habang inaaral mo yung business, habang ginagamit mo yung product, natututunan mo rin siya eventually. Okay? So, I leave you with this. Sabi nga po ni Richard Branson, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure you can do it, just say yes, then learn how to do it later. Okay? This is what happened to me. Wala naman akong business background whatsoever. Journalist ako by profession, so ang alam ko lang magsalita. Pero wala akong alam sa products, wala akong alam sa business. I just learned along the way. Okay? I started just to buy products for my mom kasi may osteoporosis yung nanay ko tsaka high blood siya. So, kahit na gusto ko yung business, sabi ko, hindi ko naman alam kung paano siya gagawin. 'Di ba? Pero, bumili kami ng products, dahil gusto kong masubukan ng nanay ko. So eventually, kaka-training, natutunan ko na rin, okay, ganito pala siya. Tapos eventually, ginawa ko na yung business. And now, I've been doing the business for the past more than 5 years na. Mag-aanim na taon na ako dito sa negosyo. And, hindi lang sa ganda ng products, pero kumikita na rin ako dito sa business. So, everything I know now, natutunan ko na lang along the way. So, if you actually liked it, if you actually like the products, or if you like the business, then give it a shot. Okay? If you're not sure you can do it, just say yes and then learn how to do it later. Okay? So, right now, ngayon pa lang, welcome ko na po kayo sa Team Core Edge. This is our team. We're composed of different individuals, iba-ibang backgrounds. May mga medical professionals, may mga nasa communications, may mga nasa sales, may mga hindi talaga, may mga retired na, 'di ba? Pero lahat lahat dito sa Team Core Edge are willing to help and extend assistance sa mga bago, 'di ba? If you decide to start, 'di ba? Nandito lang kami to support you in your USANA journey. Okay? So, I end with this. 'Di ba? Where do you see yourself? Are you a consumer, a retailer, or a business builder? Bago ka talaga mag-decide, I encourage you to listen to the next person who will be speaking, no? Yung atin po kasing next speaker will give you an idea kung ano yung potential talaga nitong business na to at kung gaano kalaki yung business na to kung gagawin mo siya. Okay? So I encourage you to stay and listen to our next speaker. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. I will turn the floor over to our host, Coach Gian. Thank you guys for listening.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Patricia Ann Roque, diba, for that very insightful discussion, short and sweet, no? So, ang dami nating insights and very clear yung mga information, no, about the technicalities and company. Ano lang, short but sweet. Ayan. So, thank you for that. And welcome po ulit sa mga kararating lang, no, dun sa mga nag-join at the middle of the discussion. I agree, doon talaga ang daming nagkakasakit ngayon, ang dami pong nagdadialysis. Kung mapapansin nyo, para po silang sari-sari store, biglang nagsusulputan, 'di ba? Magkakaharap, magkakatabi, no? Bawat building, sa malls, meron sa mall, sa kabilang street meron din. Ganyan po sa amin, no? Doon naman sa area namin sa Pasig. So you can just imagine, ang daming mong pwedeng matulungan aside from you becoming healthy. And of course, yung business mo is all about health. And of course, we have our second speaker. She is here tonight with us to also share her experience. Kasi you might be thinking, 'di ba? Totoo ba 'to, 'di ba? O sige nga, show me the the money. Yan, anyway. So ganon Syempre we understand. Ganon naman talaga when we want to maximize an opportunity. So, to introduce our second speaker, she's one of the people who started USANA in the Philippines, no? In the country. Okay, and one of the rookies of the year, kumbaga ito yung mga pinaka, alam mo yun, mabilis yung naging result upon starting within the year. And she will share her experience and siguro konting tips no on how they were able to do that in the business. And yun nga po, make sure na matatapos po natin ito because we will have our breakout room sa last part. So check nga po muna natin yung readiness ng ating mga listeners for tonight. Ready na po ba sila for our second speaker? So kung ready na sila, pakitype nga po ng attention. O yan. Akala nyo ready ha? Attention. A-T-T-E-N. Ayun, very good. Correct ang spelling. O, di ba parang yung sa sundalo lang? Very good, very good. Palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin. Attentive. Okay. So, thank you for that. Okay, so without further ado, let me now call on our second speaker, Mentor Daisy Balaguer. Ayan, good evening po.
Everyone. Yes, good evening, everyone. Yes, I'm Daisy Balaguer. Of course, I have been with Sana for the past 17 years. So, first of all, I'd like to congratulate our presenter, of course, si Miss Patricia. It was very, of course, very, very informative and very inspiring yung naging sharing niya. And I'm sure that each and every one of you was able to get a glimpse or an overview of what the Usana business is all about. And of course, our host, very energetic. And thank you for this invitation. So I'm 60 years old. Okay, I just this year last year pala naging 60 ako, and I'm so proud to share that I am 60. Why? uh, Almost like 30 years ago, that's when I started this kind of business. So let's flashback lang. Okay, so 30 years ago, my grandmother was very sickly and kasama ko siya sa room. And every time, syempre, mainit yung ulo ng matatanda, di ba? So I would syempre nakakainis din yan, di ba? Being in the same room. But there was a friend who came to the house and shared to her some nutritional supplements. And during that time, after, hindi ko alam kasi kung anong na-introduce sa kanya eh. Ang alam ko lang is, after 2 weeks, napansin ko, wow, hindi na mainitin yung ulo ni ama. Sabi ko, something, she must, ano kayang tinitake niya? Kasi parang nag-iba siya. She's happier, she's happier, and she's alam mo yung busy, very excited for the day. So I noticed that, and I realized that it was what she was taking. So it was some supplements that she took that made her feel better. So I got interested, and I went to the office to find out, to sit in a seminar like this one. And I saw what supplementation can do to people. It gives them hope as they learn to take charge of their health. So that was what I saw that got me interested to join this kind of business. Alam mo yan? Kasi yung products natin, health is a major concern for everybody, right? And I know that if I can help people to get better with regards to their health, ay yung kayang ibalik sa atin is hindi kayang bilhin ng pera. Yung thank you nila ay napakasarap pakinggan kasi nga nakatulong ka, binigyan mo ng hope yung isang tao. And that is the reason why I joined this kind of business. First, to get healthy, of course. Second, the opportunity to help people. I love helping people. And helping people doon sa health nila is ang laki ng impact. Third, I saw this business as something na maliit lang naman yung capital. Like na-discuss ni Miss Patricia kanina, 22,000, imagine na meron ka ng negosyo. So during that time, it was a little smaller, but it is, imagine, di ba, you can have a business with such a small capital. And not only that, I was a business owner who lost a lot of money. So prior to when I started then, marami akong pumalpak na negosyo. And so I got depressed because hindi ko na alam anong gagawin ko. Pero when I saw the business, suddenly nagkaroon ako ng idea na, wow, with such a small capital, and kahit hindi ako medical professional, but there are people who will help you, that is such a bargain. So that was the time na sabi ko, eto yung negosyo na sigurado talaga yung magiging successful. Siguradong magiging successful if you are only willing to learn and you are willing to do the hard work. So that was what got me started. And of course, syempre, the finances. Imagine, in 1998, the person that was presenting to us was only 26 years old. And he was already earning 1 million a month. So sabi ko, wow, coming from a lot of business failures, sabi ko, that gave me hope na pwede kong gawin siya. So that was the decision that we made. That was almost 30 years ago, that we're going to do this business because it is health, okay? Because it is about helping people. And when you help people, diba, there is no way that you will not prosper because you're helping people. And thirdly, we committed not to do the business until we succeed. Kasi kung nakita mo na yung potential ng business na to, and it is aligned to you, all you have to do is to make a decision. Because hindi naman siya everything will have to be learned, everything will have to take time, everything will just demand a commitment from you. So, that was almost 30 years ago. Now, 17 years ago, that was when we met Yusana. So, yung nangyari was, we went through several companies and then, hindi siya nag-work out until we found Yusana. Why? Because Yusana is the right company. So, we have been with Yusana for the past 17 years and we have been able to, yung 17 years na nasa Yusana kami, yan yung naging reason kung kaya naming mag-semi-retire in this business. So, ano yung naging benefit sa amin? We have traveled over 20 countries, nag-semi-retire na kami, and we have helped a lot of people become millionaires in this business. And of course, we helped these people become millionaires because we were able to help a lot of people become healthy. So, what do I want to point out? This is a business. And I'm sure marami tayo. Iba-iba kasi yung nakikinig sa atin ngayon. So there are those who are young, in their 20s, probably. Diba? You are working in a job. And eventually naman, alam natin na sa negosyo lang naman tayo magkakaroon ng financial independence, right? no matter what you do with your employment, especially right now with the threat of AI and the robotics and automation, you really need to think about building a business that is your own. Okay, so there are mga 20s, there are 30s who are starting a family. Of course, yung finances natin is challenging already because alam naman natin na ang kalaban natin ay inflation, right? So maraming na-discuss kanina ni Miss Patricia. And of course, in our 40s, syempre, we start thinking about retirement, right? In our 50s, syempre, parang malapit na yung retirement. So, ano nang gagawin natin after retirement? So, this business is an answer whatever generation you are in. Kasi I started in my 30s, I had success starting in my 40s, and up till now, in my 60s, I'm so excited pa rin to do the business. Why? Because a lot of people are getting sick. And it's so sad right now because we know that USANA is the best, it is the best nutritional supplements in the world. We know it for a fact. And it is our our responsibility and duty to share it. So kaya nga ngayon, parang all the more, I'm so committed to really go out and do USANA again because there are too many people waiting for us. Is this business easy? No, it's not. Is this business gonna be hindi naman tayo kikita kaagad to eh. But the reality is this is a business na long term siya. As long as you see that your values are aligned to what USANA is all about. Like if you are you love helping people, if you love becoming healthy, di ba? If you love to have the lifestyle that you can see from our USANA, travel, time freedom, these are some things that the business can give you. And most especially, yung growth natin, di ba? If you are somebody who knows that you deserve more, that you can have more, you still have a lot of potential, that you can still alam mo yun, there's a lot na pwede mo pang ibuga. This is the perfect place for you. Of course, we have the community that supports you. We have the mentors that are willingly guiding you in the business. And this is a team effort. You're not doing this business alone. So if your concern would be no money, I started without money, right? If I say that I don't have time, yung oras naman natin is a decision that we do eh. What is our priority? And I will always say that yung priority natin will always be build the business. Build the business now. Kasi you do not know 5 years from now kung anong mangyayari, 10 years from now, or even 2 years from now, hindi natin alam. So, the best time to start is really now. Kung hindi natin linya, like me, hindi naman ako medical field. But, I decided that I am going to learn. Diba? I am willing to learn. And the community will help you. So, is this real? Yes. Yes, because in the past 17 years, hindi pwede masyadong mag-share ng income, but we have earned over $3 million already. And can I do it? Can you do it? Of course. It's a decision that you have to make. The day 30 years ago, when we decided, hindi naman din namin alam kung paano gawin. But we just made the decision kasi nakita na namin 26 years old, earning $1 million a month. Oh my golly, I'm gonna really learn this, right? I'm gonna commit to do this business for the rest of my life. I don't care when I will be successful, but I'm gonna do it because I know I will be successful because that 26-year-old made it. Okay? So it's enough that you hear me now. And I'm attesting to you that it is real because it happened to me and it can happen to you. So we'll who will help you, it is everyone in USANA. Because the USANA family is the most generous people around. Why? Each and everyone is so passionate in helping spread the vision of Dr. Myron Wentz. Ang sinasabi ay, sabi ni Dr. Myron Wentz, I dream of a world free from pain and suffering. And a lot of people are in pain and suffering. I dream of a world free from disease. Diba? So, na-discuss naman kanina. Ang dami, diba? Ang daming mga diseases na kayang matulungan ng USANA. And I dream of the healthiest family in the world. So, in USANA, you can meet definitely the healthiest family, okay, in the Philippines. So, I hope you will join us. We're excited to see you and to connect with you and to help each other if you decide that this business is for you. So, ang kailangan lang natin, lakihan natin yung pangarap natin. Kasi pinangarap lang din namin at nangyari siya. And then we need to be willing to work, willing to learn. So inaral lang din namin, 'di ba? And we need to be willing to do the hard work. Because you know what? From 30 years ago, we really dedicated ourselves to hard work until Yusana. And when Yusana came, yan yung harvest namin. Imagine, if you are to work 10 years and then you're going to harvest for the rest of your life, would that be exciting? So I hope you will not delay. Start now, sabi nga ni Miss Patricia, because you will still have to learn and you will still have to do the hard work. But as long as you have a big dream, I am sure that dream will help carry you through. So I hope you're gonna make that decision today. Okay, so thank you so much. And I'll be seeing all of you in USANA. God bless you all.
Ayan, thank you so much, Mentor Daisy, 'di ba? So grabe 17 years, $3 million. Yun yung tumatak sa akin. So may kinompute ko na kung magkano
Wow.
per month, no? So thank you so much.
Yan ha, for the past mga 8 years.
Ayan, 8 years lang pala. O, 'di ba? Hindi pala 17. So, more pa. Ay, pero 17 years na in the business.
Yes.
Yun. Perfect. O, 'di ba? So, let's start na. So, before everyone goes, no, may we ask everyone to open their camera so we can have a picture and to document this night as well. Thank you very much, Mentor Daisy, for the time and for sharing your experience with USANA, no, and also your tips, your support, and everything. So, nasa na po ang mga kasama natin, ang mga guest. Ayan. So, sino po magti-take ng picture?
Ako na.
Ayan, si Coach Christy. So, paki-open po and of course, show your biggest smile, your happiest smile wherever you are. Ayan,
Okay.
sige, paki-count na lang. Ayan.
Taking photo in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
Ayan, thank you po.
Mentor
So,
Daisy.
ayan, thank you,
Thank you,
Mentor
Mentor
Daisy.
Daisy.
Grabe po, 'di ba? So we are sharing hope, 'di ba? For health, for finances, for purpose in life, no, community, learnings, lahat 'yan meron tayo. So for tonight, no, so na-mention ko kanina, magkakaroon po ng breakout rooms to give a chance for everyone to have their questions clarified, answered, no, and for you to give your feedback as well doon po sa mga nag-invite sa inyo. So let's maximize yung atin pong breakout rooms. We will be meeting you doon sa breakout rooms. Kindly click na lang po yung button kapag meron ng prompt, no, para mag-start na. Otherwise, yung mga hindi mabe-breakout room, feel free, no, to reach out to the person who invited you, 'di ba? Para magkaroon din kayo ng closure. Yon, closure. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much. This is Gian, your host for tonight. And have a great breakout room. Thank you po. Bye-bye.